lovely people. Today we are having some snacks. I have never tried any of these. I bought these at a Asian market, I believe it was. So I asked the lady, she said it was an Asian market, but I'm sure they have all kinds of Asian, Korean, Chinese, or different kinds of treats. I don't understand any of it to tell y'all where they come from. A lot of these things are not in English, so I couldn't even tell y'all, but we're gonna try some out, see how that goes. We have this. It says bamboo salt seaweed crackers. Seaweed crackers. They look like they will taste good. We have these macaroons. I've had macaroons before, but not in this type of package. I'm not sure what these are, but they look so good. Like little fruit cups of some sort. I don't know if it's jelly or pudding or what. We have these beef noodle flavored chips. It's gotta be interesting. I love bubble tea, so I had to grab these. I have no idea how they taste, but it says bubble tea nugget, cookie nugget. And then we have this bubble tea. Looks like bubble tea. It's not saying it on the package, but it definitely looks like bubble tea. So I'm excited to try all these. I hope they're good. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for coming. And let's get this started. I have no idea which one to try first. So I think I'm going to try these first. They have different flavors. I see an orange on there. I see a strawberry. Those are the three flavors in there. Let's see. Orange, strawberry. I don't know if that's a lime or what. I don't know if these are supposed to be cold or not, but we're going to try them. Let's see. Ooh. Smells coconut-ish. Coconut-ish. Nope. Don't really taste like anything. Tastes like a little milk. Got like a milk filled flavor. Not a strong one though. This one smells, even though it looked like it should be orange. Smells like it's a fruit mixed with milk. The texture threw me off, but they are good. They all taste like milk. Like a milky dessert mixed with some kind of fruit, but the fruit isn't strong at all. They all smell the same. They all have a milky taste to it. They're good. I like them. They look like they will be cold, banging cold. Now let's try these, since I have two Bubba products. Okay. Oh, they come in individual packs. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. That is so weird. Got bubble in it. It don't taste bad at all. Mm-hmm. I like it. Let's try these. It's so cute how everything comes individually wrapped. Oh. Comes with 3 pieces. 3 pieces in there. Look at that. Don't that look so good? It don't, you could taste the seaweed a little bit, but not a lot. But it's pretty good. Don't have a strong flavor. Kind of threw me off at first. Like a cracker, but, well, it is a cracker, right? It's good. Don't have a slight seaweed flavor. Okay. Go to macaroons. Macaron. I don't know if I'll be saying it right. Macaron. They have so many things. They have so many things at the Asian market that you don't know what to get. I want you to get a lot of stuff. Oh, but it's like I can go. I'm going to be making a few series of different Asian snacks or Korean or whatever these are. I'm not trying to offend anybody, but I don't know exactly where these snacks coming from and stuff. Don't really say, but I know they have a lot of variety. Okay, this is different. Okay, huge. It's huge. It don't quite look like the package. It looked like this one, that's about it. Okay, see that? Let's try it. I like this. It smells so good. I like the smell stuff. So soft. Tastes so good. It is so good. Tastes like strawberry. So good. We eat it all. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure if they are the same flavor, but I'm so curious, so I'm going to open another one just to see, since the picture has a few varieties on there. Okay, it looks the same. Looks the same. Maybe the inside. No, looks the same. Mm-hmm. Ooh. It's so good. Definitely the same though. We're gonna move on to the next. That was sweet from now. Go to salty. Got a strong beef flavor. I mean scent. Strong beef scent. Look at that. Look like it's gonna taste just like the soup. Mm-hmm. You like beef noodles? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You like beef noodles? They definitely taste like beef. Last but not least, I don't know if this is supposed to be frozen or what. I don't know if this expired. See that date right there? This says made in Taiwan. Taiwan. This was made in Taiwan. This I don't know, but it's expired. So I'm just gonna take one little zip. I'm guessing that's expiration date. I don't know if it was the date it was created or expired. Since I can't read it. It looks so cute. So cute. Look at that. No English. Let's try this. Oh, I'm like, what? Okay. Should I shook it? That was not smart of me. Should have shook it before I opened it. Smells like Bubba. I'm just gonna take a zip because if it's expired, I'm not trying to sip. Huh? There's Bubba in there though. I wish I could drink it. I like Bubba. There's literally little pieces of Bubba in there. So it's definitely like Bubba tea. But since it's expired, I think I'm not messing with that. Let's see if this says where it's from. Don't see where it's from. So the only thing I know where it's from is this, and it's Taiwan, and they are good. I like everything. I like all of them, but actually, can't even see where this is from. My favorite out of all of them, I can honestly say, is between this one and this one. These two are very good. It's got a milky flavor, cold. I know it's going to be bomb. And this is so good. It's just the right amount of sweetness. It tastes like a cake. Strawberry cake. This is so good. It's so soft. And these are good too. They just don't have a strong flavor. So I think these with like some dipping, sour cream and onion or something, dipping, some type of dip, these will be banging. These are so good too if you like Bubba, but they of course don't taste as good as the actual Bubba, but they taste good too. The chips are my least favorite because I'm not a big fan of beef, so these are my least favorite, but if you like beef flavor stuff, you'll love them. And of course I wish these weren't expired because I do like them. Anything Bubba I love. So this is part 1 of Asian snacks for me. I'm going to be trying some more. They have so many. I can't wait to go back to pick up more and keep trying them with y'all. Let me know if you have tried any of these before. And you know where they from exactly, or did you like them? Did you not like them? Or any other suggestions of some type of snacks that I can find at the Asian market that I am not aware of, that you know I need to try. Let me know. I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up in the comment down there, or comment. Tell me if you like this so I can do more. And have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.